Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about Node.js. Node.js is an open source and cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. Node.js also provides the rich library of various JavaScript modules which simplifies the development of web application using Node.js to the great extent. Simply, Node.js is equal to runtime environment and JavaScript library. So next, I'm going to explain about what is open source cross-platform runtime environment. Open source. So the codes are available publicly for anyone. You can contribute, and whoever want to contribute to this, they can contribute, make a modification without any cost. Next, cross platform. You can use this in a multiple platforms such as Android, Windows, and iPhone, etc. Runtime. So let me explain the runtime. It is used to convert the developer code into machine understandable code. I will post separate video for the runtime environment concepts. So these are the topics are important in Node.js. We will see every topics individually in separate video. Debugger, console, cluster, add-on, callback, crypto, error coding, net global domain, DNS, streaming buffer, and modules. These are a part of the Node.js. We will see in a upcoming videos. And features present in the Node.js. First, asynchronous and event driven. So here all APIs will be run as an asynchronous non-blocking. It is essentially means it will serve never wait for an API to return the data, and it will be very fast. It is running on the V8 JavaScript engine. So the Node.js library is very fast in a code execution. Single thread but high scalable. Node.js uses a single thread model with event looping. Event mechanism helps the server to respond on a non-blocking way, make the server highly scalable as opposed to the traditional servers which create a limited thread to handle the requests. No buffering. Node.js applications will never buffer the data. These applications simply return the chunk of data. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel.